Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. I don't know if it's new or not. I've never used it before, so that's what we're going to try, because we're looking for a drugstore illuminating foundation. So let's just get started. I'm just going to put this on the back of my hand. It's kind of thin. And I think today I'm not going to use a brush. I'm just going to go straight in with my stamp sponge. And put it on. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I've already put on my primer. It is the, wow, looks like that little bit goes a long ways. The StriVectin Blurfector. That is what primer I used. It's got good coverage. It's got really good coverage. It's got kind of yellow to it. And I remember when I was looking at the colors, this was like the lightest one they had at Ulta. But when I looked online, because I watched somebody else use it, I think, and they used a different color. And when I looked online, it was darker, so I'm glad I didn't. Okay, well, 2 pumps is too much, because see how much I have left? And I have more than enough on my face. Got really good coverage from it. It looks really good, other than the little too much yellow undertone, but I think that'll be taken care of with my powders and stuff, and my bronzer and that kind of stuff. I moved my mirror so that maybe you guys could see me better, but it's a little harder for me to, I just have to get used to it because it's a lot lower, so I'm going to be looking down, and for some reason it seems darker in the monitor. I'm hoping it's just the monitor, because the lights are the same. They're the same lights I've got, and I know I want more lights, and I could take these covers off of them, but then it's too bright. So this is as good as it's going to get until I get new lights. Alright, I'm just pressing it into my wrinkles, making sure that it's not gathering more than it should be. I don't know, you guys think it's luminous? Slightly satin, I would say. I don't know about luminous. Anyways, moving on. We're going to do the concealer. I'm going to use the Jouer concealer today. Then I'm going to go on my eyelid with it, just with what's on the sponge. Cover up those veins. Oops. Make sure it's all blended in. Get the dog hair off my face. Alright, it is trying to gather a little bit in these creases, so we just need to set it probably though. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to set it with the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye for my under eyes. Bye Bye Under Eye. It's not what it's called. Bye Bye Pores is what it's called, but I use it for brightening my under eyes. I also really like my Essence Banana powder, but with this one, it's so yellow, I would rather use this because it's not yellow, and the banana is. Although it doesn't look yellow when you put it under your eyes, but I bet it would on with this yellow undertoned foundation. Brighten up in those lines and keep them from gathering. I really don't have hardly anything on my sponge. Now I'm going to go in with my MercierTranslucent powder and set the rest of my face. And yes, we lost all the luminosity, but maybe when I spray it with setting spray, it'll all come back. If I can remember to use setting spray. Okay, I'm gonna go off camera, do the rest of my makeup. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look for today. And I have to tell you that my opinion of this foundation so far is it's not very luminous. I've already added setting spray to it and pressed it in, and it's just not very luminous. Now maybe by the end of the day it'll get luminous, but right now my opinion is it's cakey, it's drying, and it's sinking into every single wrinkle. Even though I pushed it out, I set it, I did everything, I'm not holding out much hope for it. Because after I did the setting spray, when I was pushing that in, I saw how it settled into these wrinkles, so I tried to push it out. It ain't coming out. So it's probably going to look just like this at the end of the day. So the end of the day thing's probably going to be very short. Anyways, I will check back in at the end of the day and let you know if it changed. Maybe some hot flashes will make it move around and I can get it out of these wrinkles. But I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know. I'm also going to go put some nails on and do my hair. This is what my hair looks like when I just blow dry it and don't finish it. I'm going to finish it. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. It is the end of the day and this is our Hot Flash and Wrinkles Monday makeup video for the LA Girl Luminating Foundation. You know how I said I don't think it's going to change because it was sinking into lines? it kind of did. It kind of isn't in the lines now. I don't know how, but it isn't. I still have glitter all over my face. That's one thing when you do that press with the Stila metals. Oh, I did my nails. What do you think? Let's see, I was only going to show you this hand because this finger's crooked. Let's see. Aren't they pretty? These are the kiss nails, the ones that I got. That they're pre-painted, and then I just paint them with a hardener because they're pretty flimsy. So I paint them with a hardener, and then I put a top coat on them. And I was worried about these lavender ones because they were matte, and then these were glossy, the glittery one and the hollow one. So, but I had a matte top coat, but that hardener stuff is shiny too. So I put the hardener stuff on, and then these were shiny, and I thought, well, they're probably just going to stay shiny. But I have a matte top coat, so I put that on, and it went right back to matte, so it was cool. Except that I kind of messed it up a little with it, but you can't see that, so that's fine. Anyways, back to the foundation. I still don't think it's not luminous. It didn't get its luminosity back. It didn't have a lot to start with, but I just don't feel like it's luminous. It feels dry. And even though I don't think it's sinking into lines like it was at first, it does seem to accentuate the lines. And I don't know if that's just because it's drying, so it is actually making my face more wrinkled, or if it's just because, you know, something in the foundation makes it look drier, wrinklier. I don't know, but I do feel like this one is not as forgiving of my wrinkles, and so it is not the find I was looking for. I am still looking for a luminous, glowy foundation from the drugstore that holds up to hot flashes and does not accentuate wrinkles and stays glowy, because I know that when I powder them they lose their glow, but it should come back when I use the setting sprays on it. So maybe if I had used that dewy one, but I don't want to have to use a dewy one. That's why we're getting a luminous. This is a really good dewy one, but maybe we'll try it another day. Anyways, I'm giving this one a thumbs down because it accentuates my wrinkles. It didn't sink into them too bad, but it accentuates them, and it's dry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Share this on all your social medias. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!